Brody!
How's it going? Hi, I'm Jade.
And I'm Jen.
And we are
Back,
BaSex.
bitches.
Back, bitch. We are BaSex.
So,
yeah.
you probably didn't notice, but we were gone.
Yeah.
And now we're back.
And I'd want to apologize for that.
You want to apologize.
Wasn't necessarily.
We want to apologize.
Yeah, it wasn't necessarily like. We ran into some technical difficulty, and unfortunately, it lasted way longer than any technical problem really should. My computer kind of stopped computing.
It did a dead.
It done a did a dude.
It did not do a dude. Your computer did not have sex.
Tried to say, well, hey, don't you don't know. It's got all kinds of things getting plugged in all the time. You don't know.
Okay, anyway, so the motherboard died.
Yeah, I ran into some problems as far as trying to just buy a new motherboard, and we just decided, like, let's just build a new PC and just call it good. And unfortunately, that was the computer we used for editing all of our videos and images.
And trust me,
podcasts.
you do not want the unedited version of this.
Yeah, it's just this incoherent rambling for like hours. Like, we got one video of us just sitting here staring into the camera, just screeching for hours. Yeah, just like that. The missing episode. You'll never see it. We got that locked in a vault. But
so the reason we could not save up.
we had a few other. You still laughing on the screeching thing? Huh? we ran into some problems saving up for the new computer because there was some life stuff happening.
Yeah, life stuff. What happened, life stuff?
Biggest thing is actually right here with Danny. What's your name?
What did I do?
What's your name?
Danny.
What's your last name?
Harvland.
We got married.
We got married! They probably didn't know your last name even to understand where we were going with that.
Oh, that's okay.
Anyway,
I'm me.
apparently our last name is Harvland.
Yeah. Like she was just really excited to be a Harvland, and I'm glad.
Yeah.
So we're married now. That's cool.
Woo!
You can tell by this lovely piece of bling. I would show you Danny's, but we're impromptu decided to make this video.
Yeah, we're like, hey, let's do this. We have a computer now.
Yeah.
We can do the thing. So on top of all of that, we kind of realized that BaSex got away from what we wanted it to be.
It wasn't as personal as we felt it should be.
Yeah. So towards the beginning, it was fun. We tried to make it informative, but not super formal. And towards the end, it kind of, I felt like we were making the videos to use as training guides for the store, and that's not really what they should have been.
Like, we wanted it to just be us and you. We're sitting down, giving you information about, like, you can stick this up your nose and it's amazing, and we wanted it to have that personal experience.
Paddington.
And that's
so we're kind of making BaSex go a new direction. So we're gonna still be doing toy reviews. We're still gonna be giving our honest opinion, less formally so. It's just gonna be like, hey, here's this toy, here's what I liked about it, here's what I didn't like about it.
And past that, like, we're even kind of branching out from that. So one thing that we were talking about doing, we're gonna try and do a little bit more of like a vlog, just kind of checking in, which I think that would be a great, like, just general tool for like any sex workers out there. Just be like, hey, this is kind of something that happened with us, here's something that's going on, and just give people something to, like, just talk about, and let them know that, hey, there's this going on, and I can relate with that.
On top of that, we're going to do
big project.
A lot more personal videos. So it's going to get very real. Up to this point, we've been kind of distancing ourselves. Not necessarily on purpose, but kind of as though we were filming from other people's point of view. So we're going to talk about some really really real mental health problems that we've been experiencing for so long, and kind of how they interplay with our sex lives. Because spoiler alert, we bang. And then other stuff. So like period sex, that's a thing. We're gonna talk about it.
One of the
I can't think of all the things that I had planned.
One of the big directions we're also going to be taking this is we want there to be more of a adult level sex education. We kind of feel as though there's just kind of a lack of that out there, and we really wanted to put the information that we wish we had so that we could put that in a book and send it through the TARDIS and just give it to ourselves and call it good. But
we recognize that there is content out there that's like that, but we wanted to add our 2 cents and do some kind of like pleasure-focused anatomy and body positivity stuff,
and we
things
still
that are
like
close to our hearts.
Like the main thing, we want it to be like a convenience thing. Like we recognize that not everybody has the capability of going out there and reading all the books and everything and going to the seminars and the classes. So we're gonna just kind of put all the information that we can kind of put
Mash
together.
it all together.
So we just kind of feel as though like at the high school and middle school level, depending on where you took your classes, that there was stuff that was just kind of missing a little bit. Like we wanted a little bit more than just the STD focus. Don't have
Yeah,
sex.
that's mostly what I remember about mine. It was pretty much an abstinence only. Everything is STDs. Like you sneeze on somebody and you give
STD.
them chlamydia.
You look at a soccer ball the wrong direction and boom, gonorrhea.
That's really similar to how I talk about yeast infections. It's like I look at a penis sideways on a Tuesday and I get a yeast infection.
You gotta be careful, it's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. Oh yeah, it is Tuesday.
So all that, and
Anyway.
we're gonna be just kind of working on that.
Yeah, so if you stick around, see where we go with this, that'd be great. Give us a like. And then we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter now.
And
All of them social media.
don't forget to like share if you like the video. I can't remember the YouTube's got it set up a little bit weird. So subscribe and then ring the bell for the all the notifications, because apparently you got to do 2 different things.
Yeah,
now,
instead
but,
of just subscribing.
that's whatever. But yeah, that's the main thing. We just want to kind of apologize for the delay and everything, and just kind of touch base.
We're back, bitches. Alright, so thanks for listening to us. We'll see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye. What? What? Riley, come cuddle. Fucking spoiled. It's funnier that way. Generally, when we're home, I'm naked, so this is more than.
This is all painted on, actually.